Hello everyone and welcome back to MSPN's coverage of Marble Fubeca. I am Ricochet as we welcome you to the marble race Tic Tac Toe. Very original and unique concept as you have a look at our course. Our different countries and the marbles representing those countries will make their way down the winding track and then attempt to score in one of our Tic Tac Toe spots as you see on the board. Obviously no X's and O's, just marbles in this matchup. But they will attempt to score in the style of Tic Tac Toe. Have an opportunity to advance. This is again tournament style as you see some of the cheering squads. There is Brazil. France is right there in the middle of things. Very interesting and unique concept. It's a board that we've seen as you have a look at the 2019 team statistics with Russia, Brazil, and England right now in podium spots. As you can see, it's a board that we've seen used for targets, for target scoring, for bullseyes, and things like that. As you see the teams that are facing off, France, Turkey, Indonesia, and Russia, and then Vietnam, Brazil, England, and Spain. On the left side of the bracket, the right side is Mexico. The United Kingdom as a whole will be represented here. The United States and Malaysia, and then Canada, Portugal, India, and the Philippines. So some countries that we have seen a lot of times, such as France, who will face off here in this first matchup, and some that we haven't seen quite so much. They are going to get 5 marbles and an opportunity to score, and let's see if anybody can get it. They can. Turkey scores a tic-tac-toe as they go across from where you're viewing it on the right side of your screen, top to bottom. Oh wow, look at that. On the replay, you just see Turkey just forced that one out. That's impressive right there. As Turkey forced it out of the way, they will get the win because France had the positioning in that bottom right corner, but they could not come up with it. Turkey moves on. That's impressive, as it's the Philippines now against India. Philippines in the blue, India is in the white, and they head for the board, and again, on the right side, it is 3 across, top to bottom in the right corner. And India will move on. The effort was there from the Philippines, but they are unable to score, as again, just forcing the other team out. That appears as though it might be, and it almost worked right there, that appears as though it might be something that's going to become very interesting to watch. So the Philippines go home, India moves on. And again, this 16-team field. And it'll be Spain against England here. So you have the United Kingdom and you have England both being represented. Spain in the yellow. England is in the white and blue. And it is England that's going to get it all the way atop the cross. Across the top. As they actually did it 2 ways. They do it from left to right along the top, and they do it in the diagonal way as well, from the top left to the bottom right. So 2 for England, none for Spain, so they will definitely get that win. They're the first country to score 2, and now it is the United Kingdom who will take on Mexico. They are in the red. Mexico back to their typical green and black, and let's see if anybody can get it. Yes, they can. That is the United Kingdom. They will score, and they will move on. It's fascinating to watch these replays and watch the jostling for positions. Right there, they just cannot get in, and it's the UK that's able to take advantage and force their way into those spots. You see 2 of the Mexican marbles that are up towards the front as you watch the cheering section for the UK. They move on. They take out Mexico, that has been a heavyweight in these tournaments. As we get Russia against Indonesia. Russia is in the red with white. It looks like it's just plain white for Indonesia. And it is going to be along the right side for Indonesia. They're going to move on, and putting themselves in the center spot right there forces Russia to have to try to force one of the Indonesian marbles out right here. They got there first, and that's before they even got their own 3 across. Great effort from Indonesia to block Russia before even scoring their own. They move on. And now it's Canada against Portugal. Really good effort there, as this is Canada in the... Wow, look at that. And it falls in. Canada with the 3 on the bottom, and they go 3 diagonally from the top right to the bottom left. They score 2. And all bunched up at the bottom of the back of this area, which is on the right side of your screen, was Portugal. They only got 1 to actually land in a spot. Canada moves on. Good effort by them. Strong attempt by Portugal, but they cannot come through with any kind of results. Now Vietnam and Brazil. Brazil is more blue than yellow, and Vietnam, with some red in there, is more yellow than blue. Let's see who comes up with it. Brazil's got 1, and that's all they're going to need. Top to bottom along the right side, they will move on. And one of the... Was that Brazil, or was that Vietnam? Somebody didn't land on the board. That was... Yeah, all the way back towards the launching post was Vietnam, with one of their marbles, as Brazil moves on. They'll face England. And last spot up for grabs, it is Malaysia and the United States of America. Here's the USA with their silver marbles, and Malaysia is going with the yellow and black. Let's see what happens here. And Malaysia and the United States at the last moment. It's the US that picks it up vertically from top left to bottom right. And the last marble to fall in a spot was that top left for the US. As Malaysia right there, unable to block, and just falling in at the last moment, and able to secure an advancement for the United States. So USA moving on to take on the UK. But first it is Indonesia and Turkey in the bottom left. Only one will survive to the semis. Turkey with the red and black. A very elegant look for Indonesia. Let's see who comes away with the win, though. It is going to be Turkey, as they'll take it across the middle, top to bottom. An effort there, a couple of 2s for Indonesia, but they could not find a 3rd. And so Turkey is into the semifinals. They took out France in the first round, and they pushed them around there. And at the end of the day, that one marble that got stuck at the back of the board there ends up costing them. Canada against India now. Canada with the clear, India with white, with a few different colors involved there. Canada is going to go across the middle, left to right, down the middle, and 3 of those marbles for India, or I'm sorry, for Canada, I should say. India goes down the middle. They win it, as Canada got stuck in the back of the board. Boxed them out. Well done. Look at how much they controlled there. All 5 of their marbles landed in spots, as they are able to advance. And now it's England against Brazil. Should be very interesting if we happen to get something where both of the countries get 1 score. What would happen in that case? There we go. Brazil has the first shot at it, and it is from top left to bottom right. Brazil moves on. We saw the few of the England marbles lagging behind, and so Brazil had a better chance early. And there was one last one at the end. And so Brazil gets it diagonally. They're into the semifinals. And once again, the United States takes center stage at the end to take on the UK. There is the USA right at the starting gates. The United States in silver, red representing the UK. Down first, the UK trying to finish it off. They do. They go down the middle from top to bottom, and the UK knocks off the USA. How about that? Good effort. And a pretty dominant showing there. The United States only got 1 of their marbles to stick in one of the spots. Got a few stuck in between, and the UK is going to the semifinals. Now it is Brazil against Turkey. Winner goes to the championship, and the loser drops to the third place matchup, trying to get on the podium. That's not guaranteed yet. Let's see. It is diagonally top right, bottom left. Brazil moves on. Well executed again. And right there, even knocked in another one for good measure. 4 Brazilian marbles find their way into a Tic Tac Toe spot. They're in the championship. Will they face India on the right side, or will they face the United Kingdom on the left? UK gets down first. And are they going to give it to them? Yeah, the UK is in that bottom right spot. They get it. It was close, but the United Kingdom from top to bottom on the right side of the board, they will win it. And they are going to take on Brazil for the championship. So India is relegated to the third place matchup. And the UK being represented here and taking their talents all the way to the championship. But first, for a spot on the podium, it's the third place matchup between India and Turkey. And they make their way down. India first, then Turkey. India has one, and that's all they'll need. Across the bottom of the board, left to right, and they will take third place and earn themselves a spot on the podium. Good effort by Turkey, but they'll fall a little bit short, as they are unable to get onto the podium, losing in the third place matchup. And now it comes down to this: Brazil and the United Kingdom. There's the UK's cheering group. The representatives for Brazil. The gates are up and we are off. One chance. Who gets Tic Tac Toe? Both get Tic Tac Toe. The UK goes down the middle. Brazil goes to the right. They're tied. And what happens now? Wow, look at that. All over the place. And the UK, not for trying, they almost took away one for Brazil. We go again. Try number 2. Who takes it this time? Brazil down the middle. That's all they need. From left to right, right down the middle of the board, and Brazil wins it in overtime. After a tie, an impressive showing, and Brazil with the resiliency to come back and right there win it for their country as they get the win. Congratulations to India. They are given third place, making their way on the podium. A pretty good showing. First time I have ever had the privilege to witness the United Kingdom, and they did very well, finishing in second. But today belongs to Brazil in extra time. It took them a little bit longer, but they are able to get it done over the UK. Great effort from both countries, and a great effort from all of our countries for this tournament. But until next time, thanks for watching MSPN's coverage of Marble Fubeca. I'm Ricochet.